In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Amazon affiliate account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign up, get approved, and start generating your first affiliate links the right way. First, open your web browser and head to the Amazon Associates homepage. You can also start from your regular Amazon account and scroll to the footer where you'll find a link that says Become an Affiliate. Both paths lead to the same place. Click Sign Up or Join Now for free to begin. If you already use Amazon, simply sign in with your existing login. If not, create a new Amazon account by following the prompts. Once you're in, you'll be asked for account information. Enter your name and address, select whether this account is for an individual or a company, and provide a contact phone number. Make sure the details are accurate. They'll be used for verification and tax purposes, then continue. Next, add the platforms where you plan to share affiliate links. This could be a website, blog, YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram, or TikTok. You can list multiple platforms. It helps if these pages already have relevant content, as that improves your chances of approval. You'll then set your preferred store ID. This is a simple identifier that becomes part of your affiliate links, so choose something short and on brand. Pick the primary topics related to your content, like technology, lifestyle, or shopping, to help Amazon understand your niche. Now explain how you plan to drive traffic. Select the methods you actually use, such as SEO, social media, paid ads, or email, and your primary monetization approaches. You'll also note how you heard about Amazon Associates. Clear, honest answers are best. For security, verify your phone number by choosing a call or text and entering the PIN you receive. After that, complete the tax interview so Amazon can pay you legally, and choose your payment method. Depending on your country, you'll typically see options like direct deposit, gift card, or check. Once your application is approved, log into your associate's dashboard, use product linking or the site stripe bar at the top of the Amazon website to generate affiliate links for products you recommend. Share those links on the platforms you listed during sign up. A few important rules to keep your account active. You must make at least 3 qualifying sales within 180 days. Always include a clear disclosure, such as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. And be sure to follow Amazon's content and promotion policies to avoid termination. That's it, your Amazon affiliate account is ready to go. Now start creating helpful content, link thoughtfully, and track what converts.